8 mil?
Yeah.
So you
8
got
mil.
two 8 mils on each corner, and you got to remove 1, 2, 3, 4, and the bumper skin comes out. So you don't have to remove these bottom bolts. You normally just remove the top and the side, and you can pull the bumper skin forward. Now you can access the headlight. We are changing out the headlight. Customer purchased the new headlights. And these ones on the top are torque screws. What is it, 30?
Yeah.
So you remove these two torque screws here, and there is a 2 behind this rubber mat, and 1 on the corner. Oh, somebody already got that out. So. 10 mil underneath. Let's see if that's what's holding this panel. So there is a torque screws on the back side of it. We got to remove to release this panel.
I don't know how to get there.
You need something shorter. Okay, it's out. Okay. Now we can take that out.
Wire clip.
So we gotta detach this.
Break it.
We had a hard time taking this bolt.
I guess that's it. So this one had a remote too.
To get to the headlight, of course, after you remove the bumper, this was on like this. So you gotta remove these 2 bolts behind this rubber. Then 1 torque screws, you gotta do it from back side by pushing this away from the headlight, and this goes out that way. So it goes out that way. Once you release that, this is what's actually holding onto the headlight, and you can pull forward, detach this. There is 1 more screw on side as the mounting for the headlights. So for headlight itself, it's held down with a 2 up here, 1 down here, another one here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. But to get to these 2 here, it's easier to remove these 2 here, 1 going that way, the entire headlight drops down, then you can remove this one as well as that one. New headlight.
Plug it in, right?
Yep. This resistor gets hot, so we gotta put this to the metal somewhere.
Direccionales.
Okay. Well, let's mount this one first on here, because that screw has to go on the side. Remember the screw? You don't even have one here. So we gotta put that screw in there first.
Wait.
We gotta take this clip off. Same thing on this side. We gotta remove both of them.
Put this screw out. Okay. Yep.
Same thing. Two. Pull this away. There's a one. Torx number 30 going this way. Then you can remove the entire headlight. Then remove the one here. Another one on this corner here, going that way. Then entire headlight can be removed.